The Mysterious Journey, Exploring the Unknown Realms. Hey there, adventure seekers. Today we're taking you on an extraordinary journey. Step into the mysterious realms of the unknown. Are you ready to uncover what lies ahead? From eerie secrets to captivating tales and uncharted territories, get ready to embark on an unforgettable adventure. If you're prepared, let's dive in. Abraham Lincoln, the man who united a nation. Abraham Lincoln, born on February 12, 1809, in a one-room log cabin in Hardin County, Kentucky, emerged from humble beginnings to become one of the most revered figures in American history. His life's journey, marked by adversity, determination, and unwavering principles, embodies the essence of the American dream and the enduring values of freedom, equality, and justice. Lincoln's childhood was defined by poverty and hardship. Raised in a frontier settlement, he experienced firsthand the challenges of life on the rugged American frontier. His family's meager existence and his limited access to formal education did little to dampen his thirst for knowledge and his innate curiosity about the world around him. Despite his humble origins, Lincoln's indomitable spirit and innate intelligence set him apart from his peers. As a young man, Lincoln embarked on a journey of self-discovery and self-improvement. Working various odd jobs, including rail splitter, store clerk, and surveyor, he honed his skills and acquired a wealth of practical knowledge that would serve him well in his future endeavors. Yet it was Lincoln's passion for learning and his insatiable appetite for books that truly set him on the path to greatness. In the absence of formal schooling, he devoured whatever literature he could get his hands on, teaching himself grammar, mathematics, and the law. Lincoln's entry into the world of politics marked the beginning of a remarkable career that would ultimately reshape the course of American history. Elected to the Illinois state legislature in 1834, he quickly made a name for himself as a principled and pragmatic leader, advocating for policies that reflected his deep-seated belief in the inherent dignity and equality of all men. Over the years, Lincoln's reputation as a skilled orator and a shrewd political operator continued to grow, earning him widespread admiration and respect across the state. In 1846, Lincoln was elected to the United States House of Representatives, where he quickly established himself as a leading voice in the growing movement to abolish slavery. Although his efforts to enact meaningful reform were often thwarted by entrenched political interests, Lincoln remained undeterred in his commitment to the cause of human freedom. His impassioned speeches and compelling arguments captured the imagination of the American public and solidified his reputation as a champion of liberty and justice. The pivotal moment in Lincoln's political career came in 1860, when he was elected as the 16th President of the United States. His victory, achieved against the backdrop of a deeply divided nation, marked the beginning of a new era in American history. As president, Lincoln faced the daunting challenge of preserving the Union and ending the scourge of slavery once and for all. Faced with the threat of secession by the Southern states, Lincoln was forced to confront the greatest crisis in the nation's history, the Civil War. The Civil War, which erupted in 1861, pitted brother against brother and tore families apart. For 4 long years, the nation was consumed by bloodshed and turmoil as Union and Confederate forces clashed on the battlefield. Throughout the conflict, Lincoln remained steadfast in his commitment to preserving the Union and upholding the principles of liberty and justice for all. His leadership during this tumultuous period would come to define his presidency and secure his place in the annals of history. One of Lincoln's most enduring legacies is his Emancipation Proclamation, issued on January 1st, 1863. By declaring that all slaves in Confederate-held territory were to be set free, Lincoln fundamentally altered the nature of the war and laid the groundwork for the eventual abolition of slavery. Although the proclamation fell short of abolishing slavery outright, it represented a decisive step forward in the fight for human freedom and equality. In addition to his role as Commander-in-Chief, Lincoln was also a gifted orator and a masterful communicator. His speeches, including the Gettysburg Address and his second inaugural address, are celebrated as masterpieces of American oratory, imbued with profound moral insight and timeless wisdom. In these speeches, Lincoln eloquently articulated the nation's highest ideals and called upon his fellow citizens to work together to build a more perfect union. Tragically, Lincoln's life was cut short when he was assassinated by John Wilkes Booth on April 14, 1865, just days after the end of the Civil War. Yet, his memory lives on as a symbol of hope and inspiration for future generations. The Lincoln Memorial in Washington, D.C. stands as a testament to his enduring legacy, reminding us of the enduring power of leadership, courage, and perseverance in the face of adversity. Abraham Lincoln's life and leadership continue to resonate with people around the world, symbolizing the enduring values of freedom, democracy, and equality. His unwavering dedication to the principles of liberty and justice for all serves as a timeless reminder of the potential for positive change in the world. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content.